Welcome to Consumer Times family. In this episode, we raise critical questions and share crucial insights for every Indian consumer. From demanding reform in India's consumer justice system to exploring the silent epidemic of obesity, warning you about the newest cyber fraud traps, and celebrating community mental wellness through the circle of joy, this video is packed with value. Hello and welcome to Consumer Times. I, Dr. Arun Kumar, your host. We urge Hon'ble Prime Minister Narendra Modi to restore faith in consumer justice machinery. Across India, countless consumers find themselves trapped in a slow, often frustrating system of grievance redressal. Despite progressive laws like the Consumer Protection Act 2019, implementation on the ground remains inadequate. Time-bound resolution mechanisms, digital complaints, and a dark heel were heralded as game changers. But many of these systems face delays, lack of accountability, and insufficient manpower. We call upon Hon'ble Prime Minister Narendra Modi to take urgent and personal interest in overhauling the consumer justice ecosystem. Consumer courts must be staffed with qualified presiding officers, cases should be digitized end-to-end, and a robust performance audit of state and district fora must be institutionalized. Only then can India truly say it protects its 1.4 billion consumers. This is not just about refunds or replacement. It's about restoring faith in democratic institutions meant to serve the common man. Because when justice is delayed, even digitally, it's justice denied. 2. Save the date. The obesity pandemic, entangling food, lifestyle, and more. Obesity is no longer just a personal health issue. It is a public health emergency. With India hosting one of the world's fastest growing obese populations, including children, the time to act is now. Mark your calendars for our upcoming talk, The Obesity Pandemic, Entangling Food, Lifestyle, and More. Experts will delve into the root causes of rising obesity in India, processed food addiction, sedentary lifestyles, misinformation on healthy food products, and lack of nutrition literacy. We'll also explore how aggressive food marketing, misleading packaging, and deceptive labeling are damaging consumer health, especially among the youth. This conversation is vital not just for families, but also policymakers, food regulators, and consumer advocates. Don't miss it. 3. Save yourself from cyber frauds. In a world driven by UPI, OTPs, and QR codes, cyber frauds are evolving faster than most consumers can keep up. Every day, thousands of Indians lose money to online scams, phishing calls, fake loan apps, and deceptive websites posing as banks, retailers, or even government services. Here's what you can do to stay cyber safe. Never share OTPs or CVV numbers, not even with so-called bank officials. Verify URLs and email senders before clicking links. Use two-factor authentication wherever possible. Regularly update passwords and use a password manager. Avoid saving card details on shopping websites or public devices. Report suspicious activity immediately to the cybercrime portal www.cybercrime.gov.in or 1930 helpline. Cyber frauds don't just rob your money, they rob your peace of mind. Stay alert, trust official apps, and report frauds so others can be protected too. Consumer protection is no longer just offline, it's digital too. 4. Circle of joy. When communities build dignity, in an age where everything feels fast, impersonal, and transaction-based, human connection remains our deepest need. That's why the Circle of Joy initiative is so powerful. It's a platform where senior citizens, children, homemakers, and volunteers from RWAs and consumer groups gather for shared laughter, meaningful discussions, health checkups, and joyful moments. As always, we at Consumer Times believe in empowering you, the consumer, with information, awareness, and the right tools to protect your health, money, and rights. Comment below. Which segment today resonated most with you? Want us to cover a local fraud, scam, or public health issue? Reach out to us. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated.